Alright, Sauce and Gravy Nation, are you ready for another sauce for a salad? Hold on to your hats, let me quickly show you how to make a BBQ sauce vinaigrette. Shall we begin? Grab a mixing bowl and that extra virgin olive oil. Dump in 3/4 of a cup or 187 milliliters. To this, add balsamic vinegar, 1/8 of a cup or 31 milliliters. Alright, everything's pretty easy, pretty straightforward at this point. Grab a lemon, slice it, juice half of a lemon, right on in. Now it's time to dramatically mince 1 clove of garlic. Yes, it's good. You can also use a microplane or just heck, cut it up on a board, why not? Drop in 1/4 of a cup or 62 grams of Kansas City style barbecue sauce. Check the link in the description box for a homemade recipe. And now's a good time to hit that subscribe button to learn more sauce and gravy tips and techniques. Squeeze 1 tablespoon or 24 grams of honey into the bowl. Raid that spice rack, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, a 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. Hit it up with a dash of salt. Spank a little black pepper on it, and that just about does it. Grab the whisk and get a little whiskey. Once everything is well emulsified and mixed together perfectly, then your vinaigrette, it's ready to go. Alright, Sauce and Gravy Nation, that's how you make a BBQ sauce vinaigrette. You can have this on the spot or put it in the fridge, let those flavors combine and come out, and you can knock it out the next day. Thanks for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. Hope that you liked this recipe. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button if you'd like to learn new sauce and gravy making tips and techniques.